Today we're going to create a quick start scan on our OpenVAS system. So on the scans page, go to the task wizard, we'll enter in our local loopback address to 127.0.0.1. We can see here the new scan name, immediate scan of IP, and we can see the status as well as requested. Okay, so it is now in progress, it is running, and we can see the status here as well. And the scan has now completed, so it is marked as done. If we click on the report here, we can now see some information, some results, the severity of what it has found, the location, support 1883 TCP, and we can see the operating system as well. So here, if we click on the vulnerability, we can see a quick summary, how the detection was identified, and the solution. So there's a mitigation solution here to enable authentication. And it's also got a link to an article that is originally in German. You can quickly translate that to English. So it's talking about the MQTT protocol. You can have a read through this and understand more about what that actually is. So the broker does not require authentication, so we need to enable authentication for that. So back on the scans page, we can see the status here, and once we resolve the issue, we can then run it again. We can delete or edit the task as well.